How to use grid pinning on Instagram, easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to use grid pinning on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram app, and this is where you will get. On Instagram, we can see that we have a new option, which is that we can pin a post on our profile. So how to do that? Let me actually take you to my profile. You will open your profile as well, and it will show you all of the posts that you have. We can actually pin a post to our Instagram, and we can do it very easily. First, you're going to select the post you want to pin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this post, click on three dots, and then we have the pin to your profile. So I'm going to click on pin to profile, and it will be added right here. Now you can see it's a pinned post right here. Now I'm going to pin this one. Three dots, click on pin to your profile, and you will be able to manage your grid this way. You can see we can pin different posts. Let's say I want to pin this one. So I'm going to click on three dots, click on pin to your profile, and it will be added right here as a pinned post. So this is how you pin post on Instagram. You can pin up to 3 posts on Instagram with the grid because we have 3 posts at the top. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.